To add page numbers to a PDF file using PDNob, open the PDF file using the PDNob application. Then, select the header and footer menu, then select Add Header and Footer. Next, determine the desired page number position, top or bottom, right or left margin, or centered. Next, select the font and size, ensure the font matches the font used in the PDF file. In the Macros section, select Page Number and click Add. The page number will appear in the PDF file at the specified position. You can adjust the page number position if you find it too high, too low, or too far above the page by adjusting the margins as follows. In the Page Range section, you can choose whether the page number will appear on all pages or only on specific pages, for example, on even or odd pages. If you still want to use these settings for future PDF files, you can check the Save Templates for Quick Access box. Once everything is set to your liking, click Save. The page numbers will appear in the PDF file. It was easy, right? Hopefully, this tutorial is helpful. See you in the next video.